how to publish a website using Squarespace. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you guys can publish a website using Squarespace. So firstly, I want you guys to come on to squarespace.com and log in. After that, simply choose the website that you guys want to basically publish. So I'll just make a copy of a website that I had. After that, I'll open up that website, and you guys can just simply open up any website that you made previously, or if you want to make one now, you can do that as well. After that, once you guys are in over here, now from over here, you guys can just simply click on this arrow over here at the top right, and then after that, you can just simply take a last glance on your website before making it public. And once you guys are satisfied with your website, once you know everything is right, because once it's live, everybody is gonna know about your website. So once you've done that, now from over here, click on settings and then click on site availability at the top. Now from over here, simply click on upgrade to publish, and then it's gonna ask you to upgrade to a premium plan. You guys can choose any one of these plans depending on what features you want, and then as soon as you guys pay for these plans, well, then your website is gonna go live and you will be able to just simply publish your Wix website. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.